Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Valentine's Day in July kind of set, y'all. I thought this was so cute. And really, I didn't even know where I was going with this for real, but I was on TikTok Live, which I am on every night on TikTok Live, just doing my nails, and it just really just came out as a Valentine's Day set. It was cute, but here is me just prepping my nails a little. You don't see me doing my cuticles or anything like that on my natural nail bed because I did it off camera on live, and I forgot to record, so don't get on me for that. But yeah, so here I am just shaping up my tips, making sure they are sidewall to sidewall and they are crisp. And you know, when you prep your nails like this before you lay the acrylic, once you lay the acrylic, it cuts down on the filing time and all of that once you do finally get to that step. And here I am just blending my tip with my natural nail using my 180 grit bit, and it is the skinny mandrel bit. Making sure that the tip is flush with my natural nail and on sidewall to sidewall is something that I've learned because I had a lot of trouble with application and lifting and stuff like that, and keeping the actual nail on because my designs always eat down, but your design can't eat down on a nail that comes off in a couple days. So I took a lot of time to look into what I was doing wrong and taking classes with other people, and in that I learned to make sure that my prep is A1 before I move on to the next step. Here you see me using a pad, y'all. People go crazy when they see me use a pad, but I really accidentally discovered this when after I had my son and I was doing my mom's nail. I ran out of paper towels and I didn't have nothing else to use, so I broke out one of my birthing pads, those big huge pads that they give you in the hospital. I laid it on the table and I started doing my mom's nails, and y'all, it absorbs so good. Like, it beats every napkin, everything that you can think of, y'all. If you have not used a pad for your application, like when you're dabbing your brush during your application, y'all use it and let me know in the comments, because I promise you it'll change your life. Here you see me just seasoning my file. You want to make sure that you season your file because these files are razor sharp at the edges and they will cut you or your client, and you won't even know it until you start spraying alcohol. But when I file, I make sure that I have a very crisp shape. And if y'all want me to go more into depth on my shaping, I will make a separate video for you guys because that is a monster in itself. Here I am buffing. I do put cuticle oil on my nail when I buff. It makes it very, very smooth, but you want to make sure that after you're done buffing with the cuticle oil that you are cleaning your nails with alcohol very, very good, because it will make the gel slide if you're using gel polish. But here I am, y'all. Guess what? I'm finna zoom right to the next step and the nails are gonna be done, child. I've lost the footage. I don't know where it went when I was doing the actual design. I was annoyed by losing that footage, y'all. So anyways, this is my favorite top coat. KUPA is my favorite top coat. On the pinky, I did kind of like a 3D design. I mixed Makarrt Rhinestone glue with a little red gel polish, and it made that 3D kind of effect. And then here you see me, I put a red French tip with blooming gel and just pink little dot slashes through it to make like the croc blooming gel effect. I did the same thing on the thumb, and then on the other fingers I did a textured design, and then on my pointer finger I did rhinestones with a butterfly. Y'all, I wish I could have showed y'all how I did this, but I will do this design again in another video just so you can see in depth what I did. Here I am dusting cuticle oil, and boom, the set is done, y'all. It really eats down. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe because, girl, we are building over here. Bye.